Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here, Ninja Forex Traders. Welcome back. Welcome back. So far, we'll give you an introduction to what the V70, Ninja V70 Strategy is. We're giving you an introduction to the volume profile, both fixed range and sessions. And I've highlighted previously, only briefly, the matrix. And I also showed you a trade idea where you would enter the trade when hit the volume, either the top or the bottom line. In that case, it was the bottom line. So let's move on from there. So let's have a look at this. So the last video, what we did was we drew the three lines: value area high, the value area low, and that was a target was went back to the future. We hit the target straight away, and the second one, I went all the way around and we entered coming up, and that was the target there. I then introduced the Ninja matrix, and you can see how powerful this is, because when it's a red zone, the price goes down and we take a sell theory. And if it's a green zone, it's a buy, and we take a buy. It doesn't get any easier than that. But what we do is we wait till it hits the value area. Now, I said to you, we may get in, let me just do this. I'll do this again. I said I may get in this candle or this candle. Now, the settings I have for the matrix is really powerful. It's really key. So on the 5-minute settings, on the 5-minute, because it's a 5-minute time frame, I clicked on this little button. It's like a call button, like same on your phone, this settings. And all I do is I forget everything else. I just, for the 5, I make this 30. So if I'm trading on the 5-minute, I make this 30. And I press OK. And that's it. Simple, easy. So what was happening now if you had an indicator that gave you an exact entry point, which we believed was safe the majority of the time? Is that something you would find interesting? Absolutely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch the matrix off for a minute. I'm going to apply that alone. So we have the matrix, it's keeping us right, letting us know it's safe, but we also have the Ninjacator. Now, we're very fortunate. Kevin Orm, one of our valued educators, traders, wealth of experience, has kindly coded this for us. Now, you see these little things here where it's got a green up. That means the price goes up, but it's even getting down. But we don't take every up or every down, we take specific ones. Now, which is this? We have different types of candles. We have normal candles, and we have something called hiking ashy candles. To make it simple, to make it clear, all I do is for entry, I go hiking ashy candles. And you notice when I put on my matrix, it makes life a lot easier, because I know it's safe in a green area. I know that's my target. I know that's my potential entry zone here. Rather than jump in, why do we wait for a ninja up? There's a ninja up there. We could have got that one or that one there. There's a couple of other things on this. I'll do it in a later video. But if you take that one there and you take that all the way to the target, thank you very much. Money in the bank, easy peasy lemon squeezy, as I say. And all I've used is a set of simple rules. And the simple rules is this: we switch on the volume profile, do it in order. The volume profile. If you don't have the paid for version, you can do the fixed range, which I showed in a previous video. Yeah, you switch that on. We draw the three lines. 3 simple lines sealed the fate for gold yesterday. There, first line, second line, and the target there. Sealed the fate there, and also sealed the fate there. For those many traders who got in using the V70, the Ninjas, took advantage of that and posted in our private members area called Raining Pips, the wins. So, in summary, market opened, went into profit, came down outside of this value area. We put on the matrix, we got excited. We saw it going green, we're going, yoo-hoo! It comes in, we're getting more excited. We don't just take that, we make sure we're in high Kanashi candles. We switch on the Ninjacator, and guess what? It says, ladies and gentlemen, rather than say buy, because we're not allowed to see these things, it's got enough. It's telling you, we believe based on everything, the price is going to go up to that line. And I actually went further to this other value area line. So if that was you, summarize 3 lines using the volume profile, the matrix, and the Ninjacator. See you soon. Have a great day.